Girls introduce. Hi everyone on Bui's channel. The Koesiwe, but I must be part of this video without a choice. So yeah, I am. Happy New Year!
Trouble, babes.
Happy New Year to all of the audience. Yako. Ding ding ding.
Happy.
What are we doing today?
So we're doing Xhosa riddles. They call it Rai.
Right. Yes,
Yes. So we'll be doing that. Uzawuzaneza ke ezi 5. I've got 5. Then umuntu uzoguess ba obviously uthethe ukuthini. Phofu amasingathi ukuguess. I don't like this guessing thing. Masithi umuntu uzochaza ba iminisha
bandoni
ba ucinga yini. Because like guess you can just guess anything, but at least you need to think.
Yeah.
You know, but also they must not be difficult. Okay?
Yeah. But right. Remember in Alan, yeah, bida. Yeah,
I got that right. Yeah.
As even now we had to go and just check my own. You check your own.
Yeah.
So we'll see how it goes.
Let's do that. Let's push, babes. So mine is first one. Rai. Rai. Dinamntu wam onxibe iloko emhlophe othwele iduku iqhiya ebomvu.
Oh, iloko emhlophe.
Yes.
Othwala iqhiya ebomvu.
Yes.
It's not lipstick.
No.
Mhlophe iqhiya ebomvu.
Yes.
I feel like the object eba mhlophe, then at the top ibe bomvu. I'm just trying to remember. I don't.
No.
Oh boy. We said easy, okay?
This is easy.
Can we do clues?
Okay, I'll give you a clue. So, lento you cannot ungahlala ngaphandle kwayo endlini.
Okay.
But ke ngoku yinto.
Ikhandlela.
So if iqhiya ebomvu ke ngoku ekhandelini. No. But that was close.
Okay. Endlini ungahlala ngaphandle kwayo.
Ungahlala ngaphandle kwayo. But isisetyenziswa kakhulu kudala abantu bebengakwazi ukuhlala ngaphandle kwayo. Dala. Back in the days, I can't even say 80s because at
even
least
before
80s,
that.
even before that, more especially before that. So omakhulu bethu babesebenzisa otamkhulu, you know, and can be used by both genders.
Uyisebenza apha emzimbeni okanye I give up.
You can't because you were very close. You were very close.
Isibane.
No.
Not imbola.
No, but you don't show up pha kwimbola. Izoba imbola isandla libomvu okanye emhlophe.
Oh. That's it. Umuntu uyakwazi uthi pass. You can tell me the answer.
Ngumcingo wematshisi.
Oh boy. Umcingo akakho mhlophe nje na.
Uzawuphikisa ke ngoku. So uphikisa mna okanye uphikisa?
I literally thought of into mhlophe. Okay, maybe if you said brown.
But the duke. I'm gonna say you can't because you can't change as a.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Zanazo.
You better be ready.
Zanazo.
So, let me start with a nice easy one.
Please.
Okay. Ndizalwa rai. Ndizalwa ndimde. Ndiva ndimfutshane. Ndisetyenziswa phakathi endlini ndiyintoni?
Easy. Actually, uzawubanzima mos.
Ndizalwa ndimde. Ndiva ndimfutshane.
Khandlela.
Good one. It was easy.
Drink.
And easy peasy.
Drink to that. But I think many guys think about Bunga mention it there.
True. Okay, come with your next one.
My next one is Rai. ndinanto yam ethi ndim phambili ndim ngemva.
Inyawo.
Oh yeah. Jonga sesazixhosa thina sisithetha isiXhosa. Mna nantsi sizawuhigher grade ke.
Oh, Nyan. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Andikho phakathi, andikho phandle. Kodwa ndikhona kuwo umzi. Yintoni?
Ucam.
Yeah. Ibonile ndinyani.
Ngibonephi? Sunjola. Lo ungatyholwa.
Okay.
Is okay, mandikrome ke guys because ngoku ngathi ndiyabhideka bendicela ndizawumemorize. Right. Ndinanto yam ihamba ingxola ibuye ithule.
Oh, there's
Yiza.
Libaget. Libaget, yanamanzi. Akiphelile.
No, but you can't say bucket.
Well, it's a bucket.
No, ibhekile. Okay.
Okay, so
I do not understand.
Dinaminyango yam imibini. Right. Dinaminyango yam emibini. Eyavalwa ivule ngexesha elinye. Ntoni?
Ngamehlo.
Jonga, you are good at this, but you
Jonga!
are good at this.
I know,
You
kanti
used to
ndize
do it.
ebona esizibuzayo anoba uzifumene kuwe na kule yakho azivele kule yam bendikhangela kuyo. Okay, this is so fun though.
It is. I'm
It is.
definitely enjoying it.
Iqaqane ziva kuluka.
That's a That's a color. You color but yes, ikaka it's an animal.
Okay.
It just means bana umtu ozidwe wrong akaziboni.
Oh yeah. Okay. Love it. But I can put in and debate guys.
Yeah. All right. Iti yintoni enemilenze kodwa ayikwazi uhamba. Right.
How long have you been here?
Nemilenze kodwa
Ayikwazi uhamba. Tafil.
Okay.
Stool.
Yes.
You're gonna make me mad right now.
Rai. This is the last one. Rai. Dinando yam. Ithingane. Rai. I don't think banibizwa ngohlobo ndinamtshakazi wam ohlala emveni komnyango.
Kumshayeli.
Oh, I got it right. Because I feel like ingathi ayikho nto ndizayithetha and khange ndiyikhangele. So okay.
No.
Great.
Okay, I'm yokugqibela. Rai. Yintoni egcwala isiqumbu kodwa ayigcwali space.
Moya.
No. Yagcwala isiqumbi but ayithathi space.
Yo.
Like it doesn't take up any space.
Yeah, I know I get you, but I'm trying to think about nobody told me.
Because umoya actually does take up space because it can actually boom more.
But I touch. Yo. I'll pass.
Okay, you close. Okay, are you giving up? Let's spend our one. Let's give it a go for it.
There's a pause right now.
I'm just like, I can't.
It's light.
Hayi suka!
Light.
Iwesi ndiyayicinga pha ngqondo hayi kodwa ayisoze.
Light. It fills up the whole room.
You
I thought
guys
that's
serious right now?
Wow.
Are you guys serious
Okay,
right
guys.
now?
But we're done. Hi, thank you. Can I just drink? Yes. Hope you enjoyed this. Wait for that. So,
You
okay,
guys must actually try this with your own family.
Yeah.
Nisixolele ba leziphi rai abantu came up with. Mhlawumbe zikhona nezinye esingazicinganga. Please do share. Just comment below.
Yes, and also please expect another video. Yeah. Yeah. Your hlonipha. Obviously we're pushing this course, right? Or what? Kaloku siyafundisana. Yabo, because Nana science is Xhosa and Zanga science is Xhosa, so I think
Together,
you know.
Definitely.
Yeah, so okay guys, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, do the right thing, like, share, you know, subscribe. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.